Right, so obviously you've seen the Mitsubishi, it had a load of fault codes. It's got its original battery in it still, so we've got a replacement one there. I've just taken a little trunk off, so 2 little push clips, and then 2 clamps in your terminals for your battery. Now, I love Mitsubishis, and I love this one especially because look, it's giving me a new socket, man, and it's a snap-on 10. Oh, you beauty, man, look at it. It's an impact. Oh my god, man, it's like Christmas. So that's a shame for the technician that's lost that. That is a shame for him, but I mean, he's tightened up that bolt at least, so that's good. So not sure why they've been in there. Why they've had that off? Maybe been getting some work done. Looks like it could be doing me an air filter, so not sure when the last time it was serviced. I didn't check the book. Oh god, it's black in there. So look at the colour of the filter. So it could be doing a new filter, but I'll speak to the customer and see when it was serviced. You can see that boost hose there. Not good, not good. So we'll crack on, we'll get this battery fitted. Right, so I've put a new battery in it. And all good. Bit louder with the trunk off it, but yeah, so compressor's going to be a little clappers, so we just need to put the clamp on really, and put the trunk back. So this one's a user and that one's a Hitachi, so both Japanese batteries. So we'll put the machine back on and see what it's saying as well. Hey, so big old tail. She's already pulled all the data for me, so amazing machine this. So we can hear that balance shaft on it, so maybe something for the future. So you can see the alternator, 14.4 volts, so then we've got a new battery fitted to it. You can see obviously the car's running, got lights on, so let's see what position it's in. It's in auto, so that just shows you, I mean it's quite bright in here, the lights and all that are on as well, so if the car's been sitting, you know, with the DAB going, you know, aircon, blower motor, and you've not got your engine running, then it won't keep the battery charging. So we'll switch this off actually. Just keep the ignition back on. Now, sometimes after changing batteries it can take a wee while, you know, a couple of days, for the system to start working correctly, for its stop-start system I mean. So, you know, when you pull up to the traffic lights and it starts, cuts the engine out and restarts when you put the foot on the clutch so you can then drive off. Sometimes when you've replaced the battery, it takes a couple of days just for the, you know, the to relearn the battery state, and then it'll start working again. So, so we shall wait and see what happens with it, and we'll clear all these codes, and I'll need to come back and get the boost hose, and then we'll take it from there. The only other thing on the Mitsubishi ranges, it's actually one next door, the L200, it's got a dodgy button, so you can hear them out there sometimes try to start the thing. You know, on and off, the alarms going and all that kind of stuff. So these faults haven't been cleared since we've been in, so we'll clear them, and then when the car comes back we'll scan it again, once you put the boost hose on it. Very expensive, the boost hose, and I mean very expensive, you know. I'd be thinking it was Land Rover prices, but it wasn't. So it's Mitsubishi prices, worse than Land Rover. But they're really good, they don't break the Land Rovers. Sorry, take that back, they don't break the Mitsubishis, Land Rovers they do break. So we'll clear all these. See, they're all voltage extraordinary low, stored, none of them are active. So there's not really much to go in, other than you can only presume it had a flat battery. So it seems to be taking all those codes out. We'll pause here. Right, so we've scanned them. We've cleared the faults and then scanned again, and none of them have came back at the time being, so hopefully that's all good. Right, so trunk's all back on, clamps on it, just put this little battery cover. There you go, that's tight, that's all tight. So it should be good to go. Obviously you see me cleared all those fault codes as well, push clip missing out of there. One missing out there as well, actually. Yeah, maybe had a condenser at some point or something. So, there you go, that one seems to be all good in the hood now. So, quality of these Mitsubishis, I do really like Mitsubishi. Things to get them in the UK is rust. Series 4 L200, few issues with that, no issues, we'll not talk about that, right? That's the black sheep of the family, to be honest with you, but the rest of them, pretty reliable guys, eh? They really are pretty reliable, so we'll fire it up. All good. All good in the hood. So thanks for watching. Haven't already, hit the big thumb, hit subscribe for this quality Mitsubishi. Right guys, welcome back. We got the big 2.2 4N14 Outlander. Got the auto hooked up to it. We've got a boost hose there for it, so hopefully that's the correct one. You know, it's an eBay job because it was astronomical at Mitsubishi. I love Mitsubishi, I do, really do. Fond place in my heart for them, but God man, expensive for the parts. So we'll see what the big hotel's saying. We'll get the bottom cover off it as well. Hopefully it comes off easy. I know this car's no longer been serviced, so it should be. That's good. I mean, the customer has reported, he has felt the car's been a bit sluggish, so, and as you would expect with the boost hose having two big cuts in it, but that's good. So alternator's charging away, just had the battery replaced, so we can see 13.8 there, so that's good. So the car had the battery replaced a week or two ago in here, so it's checking, everything seems okay there. So get this cover off, get this off, get the push clips out it, get the bolts out it. The push clip missing for there, I'll see if I've got a replacement. We'll get that changed hopefully. Right, so taking the bottom cover off, taking the top cover, sorry, and we'll see if we can get in here, as we can. Whoa, don't be going crazy. So, I'll get this pipe off of here. Right, you can see it's all busted. Right, and we'll get that back up now. Right, so I've got it up there now, obviously we don't have it off at the top, that was easy, but it was really tight in there, there's not much room at all. You can just see, so I'm going to get the quarter drive in, and see if I can get that clamp undone. Right, so that one looks right to me. Smaller, bigger, looks like the same kind of trumpet pipe to me, so we'll get it fitted. Comes with new hose clamps as well. Obviously, seen that was quite tight in there, so we had to give it the wee quarter drive, and you can't get nothing else into it, so we shall get an 8mm quarter drive now. Right, so we've got that new hose in there, sorry. Put it on there, on the bottom. Look, my torch still down there, so I'll need to get that. And we'll give it a portion. Oh geez, something leaking. Something coming out of somewhere. Still on the top, so let's go and get a look. Are they still on the bottom? Looks like it. We definitely had a load of soot come out of somewhere there. So we're not to see. No fault codes on the car. But woof, aye, so. Oh jeez. Right, so. Jeez. Woo, good job the doors open. So maybe it's just been a while if it's had full boost through there. Jesus. Smoky Joe. It's not smoke, it's soot guys, eh? That's soot for the DPF, eh? This engine I can hear other than the balance shaft, eh? The engine's running sweet, so we shall have to give it a portion round the road just to make sure it's okay, but it'll probably do this until it clears. It's probably not been blown, you know, everything for the intercooler inside the engine, so there'll probably be a bit of unburnt fuel and crap, etc. So, see if you can see here that soot come out. Okie doke. Right, so I'll put the colours back on and give it a wee run, see how she goes, but there was no fault codes in it. That was the old boost hose there. See two big giant cuts in it, so yeah, we'll get these covers cleaned up for the under tray and get that put back on guys when we put back, okay?